You've built a beautiful life and a beautiful business. So why doesn't it feel like you need it to feel? Why does it feel like it's draining you right now? If you're a woman who leads with heart and you care deeply and you give of yourself generously, but yet you're tired all the time, then this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you why your biggest strength might be secretly sabotaging your energy, your strategy, and how to build a life and a business that fills you up instead of emptying you out. Now, here's what I've learned about big hearted women like you and like me. We see what needs to be done and we do it. We fix, we support, we inspire, we hold up other people, we organize, we encourage. We're there. But somewhere along the way, we started believing that caring means saying yes to everything and that boundaries are selfish and that our worth is measured by how much we give. And that belief is draining your spark. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot energy leaks and understand why your guilt keeps you stuck. And then three gentle strategies to protect your peace while honoring your heart. So let's talk about something that you may find familiar, a scenario. You wake up with good intentions to work on your business and some excitement showing up for yourself. But by 10 a.m. or noon, you've already said yes 3 times. Someone needs your help, someone needs your advice, someone's counting on you again. And because you care, you say yes again and again and again. And your dreams, they get pushed back to tomorrow. Your creative spark is buried under everyone else's priorities. That's what I call the overextension trap. It's the belief that your value is tied to your availability. But imagine that there's this garden and the gardener has enough water to water the garden that's in front of him or her. And instead, they take that water and they try to water every plant in the neighborhood. And then at the end of the day, it wasn't enough water to sustain the actual garden that needed the watering. And then it dries up. That's what happens to you. Overextending isn't generosity. It's a sign that your own roots are searching and thirsty for peace. When you finally notice the pattern and you whisper, maybe I'll say no, then that guilt, it springs up again, almost like a weed in that garden. It's the voice that says, they're counting on me, so if I don't do it, who will? So the cycle continues. You overextend, you feel resentful, you realize it's unsustainable, then overextend again and again to prove that you're still the dependable one. The traditional boundary advice says to us, well, just say no. But for some reason, that doesn't ring true for women with big hearts. That's not enough for women who care this deeply because it isn't about control, it's about compassion. Every time you say yes from obligation, you weaken your ability to show up with the full brilliance of your caring heart. When your energy is scattered, no one really gets the best version of you, not your family, not your business, not your clients, not even you. You're not even getting the best version of who you are. But what if there was another way? What if you could build beautifully without burning out your big heart, without burdening yourself? The key isn't to become less caring. It's about becoming strategic about your caring. It's learning the difference between energy investments and energy leaks. These three gentle strategies that I'm getting ready to give you will help you create a rhythm that honors your big heart and your limited capacity. So you can keep building, but from a place of calm power, not exhaustion. Ready? Let's go. Strategy one, the energy audit system. Track your energy like you track your money. Or maybe you need to track both your energy and your money. But right now, we're talking about tracking your energy. After every task, conversation, or meeting, ask yourself, did this give me energy or does this take some energy? You'll notice patterns. Some tasks drain you quietly, while other tasks quickly empty you. And you'll find that some conversations light you up, some people light you up. And sometimes these little small yeses can be responsible for the biggest leaks. Once you see the pattern, you can start choosing based on energy return, not guilt or obligation, because awareness always comes before change. Strategy number two, the gentle no framework. I know sometimes it's hard to just say no. So instead of saying no, I want you to try honoring and redirection. This is how it sounds. You honor the person and the importance of their request, but then you redirect it based on your actual capacity. Here's an example. I see how meaningful this project is, and I really appreciate you thinking about me. Right now, my energy is fully committed, but I know Sarah will be a great fit. You're still kind with this response. You're still helpful. You're just not sacrificing yourself in the process. Strategy number three, hard scheduling. Plan your energy, not just your time. Block space for recovery after emotionally heavy work. Do creative tasks when your energy peaks. Ask yourself daily, what does my heart need to stay full? When you schedule around your energy instead of your obligations, you stop running on empty and you start leading from overflow. Here's your gentle reminder for today. Your heart was never meant to run on fumes. You can care deeply and protect your peace. Those two things can coexist. You can build beautifully and rest without guilt. If you're ready to create that shift and finally find calm in your chaos, I built something just for you. It's called the Entrepreneur Overwhelm Peace Planner, and it's a chat GPT powered, and it's designed for those overwhelmed women entrepreneurs who find themselves saying yes to everything and working 60 plus hours a week and trying to balance it all. They're just ready to trade hustle for harmony. Inside, you'll discover a gentle, peace focused productivity system, personalized so that you can know what truly matters to you and to your current space in your life and in your business. Step by step guidance to turn chaos into calm, and daily micro prompts to help you rebuild peace without losing your drive. This isn't just another do more system. It's the first tool that helps you do less peacefully and on purpose. You can find it right now at latashastrategy.gumroad.com, the Entrepreneur Overwhelm Planner GP, or through the link in the description. Because success doesn't have to mean exhaustion. Your business can thrive, and so can you. I need you right now with me to take a deep breath. Why? Because your peace is calling, and it's time for you to go get it.